If you don't like the risk of losing money, but you still want the thrill of fast profits, do this. Learn the game of real estate flipping. You've seen it in movies, heard whispers of it in wealthy circles. Someone buys an ugly house, makes a few smart upgrades, and just weeks later cashes out with tens of thousands in profit. But here's what they won't tell you. It's not luck. It's not even that hard, when you know what to look for. Behind closed doors, the wealthy have been quietly flipping properties for decades. Not because they love real estate, but because flipping is one of the few legal ways to multiply money fast. While the average person waits for slow returns, they flip. And they keep flipping until one deal replaces their entire salary. Real estate flipping is the strategy of buying undervalued or distressed property, improving it, and selling it for a profit. It's fast, it's powerful, and when done right, it can change your life. You don't need millions. You need education, execution, and courage. So stop waiting. The game is happening, with or without you. Learn the rules, and flip the table in your favor.